When we are discussing about the electrical properties of the rocks, first thing we need to know about the porosity of the rock and the permeability of the rock. This is not actually a major feature, but this is also very important in understanding the migration of hydrocarbons or groundwater through the rocks. So you see these holes, these are called as pores, and the ratio is called porosity. This is a brick. This is not a natural formation, but for a clear understanding, now we will see what is porosity and what is permeability. So when I take a drop of water on the brick, the water spreads and that is being absorbed inside the brick. So that means whatever the pores you have, they are all connected to each other and they are all pulling the water inside. So once this brick is filled with some water, then it will be storing the water inside and it will be leaving to the other side. But if you see, this particular stone is having pores, but it doesn't have a porosity. Sorry, it doesn't have permeability. That means the pores are not connected to each other. That is why when I put the drop of water on the top, the water is not going down. The same how when I put the drop of water on the brick, it is going down. You can take this brick as an example of a metamorphic rock. So the hard rock is being transformed into the metamorphic process and that is becoming into a brick. So here you are seeing a mixture of igneous rock. So igneous rocks doesn't have any kind of particular porosity. Once they are undergoing the phase of metamorphism, then small pores will be formed because of the erosion and other agents, and then they'll become the sedimentary rocks. Now if you can see, this particular igneous rock is having different kinds of minerals in it. You can see the pink color, the black color and all, and that is also shining. So this is a property of minerals and also few rocks. It is luster, that means they shine in the sunlight. And now you are seeing this rock is like a magma that has come out of the earth surface, and later on it slowly got cooled out, and while cooling it got all the dissolved minerals in it, and that is why you are seeing this one more rock with different colors like green, pink and all. This is how the rocks will be. And now we'll discuss about the self potential of the ground. So the self potential is something which is already inside the ground. When you connect a multimeter to the ground, because of the chemical reactions and presence of any minerals or any kind of iron or rust or metals, the earth will react with that moisture and that will create some charge, and that is the self potential. This self potential is a very important factor while doing electrical resistivity surveys.